Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I'm a student at Aurora Middle School. I will be showing you how to do these hands-on equations. My first problem is 4x plus 3 equals 2x plus 7. So first we need to figure out what these things we are using. This red cube equals positive numbers always, and then this is always negative numbers. It has 1 through 10. And then the white pawn stands for the opposite of x, and the blue pawn stands for x. So when you put them together, white and blue, or these two, it makes a pair of 0, and they don't go away completely, but you just can move them out of the problem. Okay, so one thing to know about the scale, we can't have opposite of x here and not add it here. It has to be even on both sides to whatever we do. We are now doing the first problem. So first we're gonna add the opposite of 2x, so we're gonna add negative 2x to this. They're going to cancel each other out, but we have to do the same thing on each side, so we're going to add that over there too. And they're going to cancel each other out. So now we have to get rid of this, so we can have these on each side. We're going to add 3 to each side, negative 3. Okay. And this will cancel each other out. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So we're going to have 4, and then you take away 1, so you have to divide it, so x equals 2. We are on to the second problem. It's negative 3x plus 2 equals negative 10 plus x. So first we want to get rid of the white to make it easier. So we're going to add 3 on each side because we have to make it even. And those will go away for now. And then next I'm going to get rid of the green 10, the opposite of 10. So we're added 10 to each side. Those will go. And then this equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. So you do 12 divided by 4, so x equals 3. Third and last problem will be written here shortly. Is negative 3 plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of the white ones again because we don't want to deal with negatives. Just easier that way. So we're gonna add 3x, positive x to each side. Those will cancel each other out. And then we need to get rid of this 3. So we're gonna add 3 to each side. So that goes away. And now we need to get rid of that, I think. Yep. Okay. So that goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, so x equals 2.